not an island. I tell people that Kampala is part of Uganda. This country is in a mess. For us to expect that a KCCA is going to be an exception is really asking for too much, because the people that are running this country, they are also in charge of the capital city. And that is why for a very long time, you see us fighting for our space. You see us fighting for our powers. As political leaders, we play an oversight role. But a lot of things are done behind our back. I can give an example when Muhoozi was visiting potholes in the city. As political leaders, we are not even aware that Muhoozi was actually being hosted at City Hall. We are seated in council. So there are lots of things that happen, and our mayors are aware of this. But I'm happy that they have made an alarm, because in this institution, it's after you have made an alarm that you'll be brought on the table and that you'll be provided with information. We have the City Executive Committee meeting, and we expect the technical team to provide us with a detailed report of the works that are so far being done. In an ideal situation, this is not how the country should be governed. Institutions need to be respected. People's positions need to be respected. However, we are talking about a country where we believe that everything has to be militarized. That even now the construction of roads has been taken over by the military. The construction of, you hear a hospital is being constructed, the military has taken over. COVID has come, bins have to be donated, the military has taken over. So for me, what is happening should not surprise anyone. This country has been militarized, all sections have been militarized. That is exactly what is happening. And of course, I also note with concern, just like the public has noted, that we seem to be doing last-minute preparations, patching up potholes here and there, because we have NAM in January, and so many delegates are expected to be here. And I've heard our technical officers saying, you see, now we are going to receive visitors. When you're receiving visitors, even in your homes, the home has to be clean. But for some of us, our homes are always clean. We don't only clean because we are expecting visitors. So somehow, NAM being hosted in Kampala is a blessing in disguise. That at least some of we are going to see a facelift on our roads. However, for me, that is a temporary solution. Most of our roads are tired. Most of our roads have gone beyond their lifespan. They don't have to be patched. They actually need to be, we need a total overhaul. But like I have said, Kampala is part of this country which has totally been messed up.